How to fix Hogwarts Legacy not launching. Now in this video, I'm going to show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix this kind of issue if your Hogwarts Legacy is not opening or not launching. So the very first thing that you would have to do is to go into your Windows search and then simply access your CMD or your command prompt and make sure to run this as an administrator. And then here's going to be the command that you need to execute, which is going to be ipconfig space slash winsock reset space slash flush DNS. Once you've done this, make sure to restart your PC before relaunching the game. Now, the other thing that you could do is to find the main.exe file of the game. So, say for example, this one right here, just simply right click and then go into properties. Now, this troubleshooting step 2 is to optimize the game running or the game graphics itself. So go into compatibility and make sure that this program is compatible with the specific windows that you're using. And then choose on disable full screen optimization and then make sure to run this as an administrator. Hit on apply, hit on OK, and relaunch the game, see if it works for you. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Hogwarts Legacy not launching.